Hello all, welcome to my channel Pharma Dive. This channel is purely for educational purpose and aims to provide valuable information. So if you are ready to dive into the world of pharma, hit that subscribe button and join the journey. Let's explore, learn and gain together. Today's topic is sterile versus non-sterile products in pharmaceutical industry. Pharmaceutical products are classified into sterile products and non-sterile products. Sterile products must be completely free of all viable microorganisms, while non-sterile products allow a strictly regulated safe microbial presence. This critical distinction dictates the manufacturing environment, sterilization methods, and microbial testing standards required for different types of medications. What are sterile products? Sterile products are pharmaceutical products which are completely free from viable microorganisms like yeast, fungi, viruses, and pyrogens. They are required whenever a product bypasses the body's natural defense barriers like skin or mucous membranes. Some examples of sterile products are injections, vaccines, eye drops, IV fluids, and implants. They are manufactured under aseptic and controlled cleanroom conditions. They require strict sterility testing and bacterial endotoxin testing before release. In sterile drug manufacturing, such as injectables, infusions, ophthalmic solutions, and implantable medical products, any microbial contamination poses a direct risk to patients. These products must be processed in aseptic conditions or sterilized using validated methods such as steam sterilization, dry heat sterilization, ionizing radiation, ethylene oxide sterilization. ISO classified clean rooms, sterile gowning procedures, and validated aseptic operations are required to maintain sterility throughout the production and testing. Let's see features of sterile manufacturing. Sterile manufacturing uses aseptic processing to produce products without microbial contamination. It is carried out in HEPA filtered clean rooms with differential pressure control along with continuous temperature and humidity monitoring to maintain a controlled environment. Regular environmental monitoring, validated cleaning and disinfection procedures, and strict gowning practices help ensure cleanliness and reduce contamination risk. Sterile manufacturing also involves sterilization processes, high contamination control, and control movement of personnel and materials to maintain product sterility and quality. Now, let's see what are non-sterile products. Non-sterile products are pharmaceutical products that may contain microorganisms within acceptable limits. Examples are tablets, capsules, syrups, creams, and ointments. These products are tested for total aerobic microbial count and total yeast and mold count and presence of organisms such as E. coli, Salmonella species, or S. aureus depending on dosage form. Non-sterile pharmaceuticals such as tablets, capsules, ointments, and oral liquids are also rigorously evaluated but do not undergo terminal sterilization. Instead, microbial limits are established based on product type and patient use. Features of non-sterile manufacturing. Non-sterile manufacturing is carried out in GMP-compliant production areas with controlled hygiene practices to ensure product quality and safety. It includes equipment cleaning verification and controlled raw material handling to minimize contamination risk during production. Unlike sterile manufacturing, complete sterility is not required, as these products generally have a lower contamination risk. However, routine cleaning and sanitation, along with appropriate air handling and pressure balance, are maintained to provide a suitable manufacturing environment. Sterile versus non-sterile comparison. Sterile products are completely free from living microorganisms and bacterial endotoxins to ensure maximum patient safety, while non-sterile products allow limited, safe quantities of specific microorganisms but must remain free from harmful pathogens. Sterile products are manufactured in highly controlled ISO classified clean rooms with strict environmental monitoring and aseptic techniques. And non-sterile products are produced in GMP production areas with clean, regulated environments but without the need for complex aseptic or terminal sterilization facilities. Sterile manufacturing uses terminal sterilization methods such as autoclaving or radiation or follows strict aseptic filtration and filling processes, while non-sterile manufacturing relies on strict hygiene, preservation methods and microbial limit testing rather than sterilization. Sterile products have a very high contamination risk because even a minor contamination can affect product safety, while non-sterile products have a moderate contamination risk and require microbial control within acceptable limits. Common examples of sterile products include injections and eye drops. And some examples of non-sterile products include tablets and syrup. Sterile manufacturing requires operators to wear specialized sterile gowning to minimize contamination. Non-sterile manufacturing generally requires standard personal protective equipment. Quality control for sterile product focuses on sterility testing, endotoxin testing, and media fill studies, while quality control for non-sterile products focuses on microbial enumeration test and testing for specified objectionable microorganisms. Sterile manufacturing is performed in ISO classified clean rooms with strictly controlled temperature and humidity. A differential pressure system is maintained to control airflow and prevent contamination between areas. While non-sterile manufacturing takes place in a controlled production environment using a standard HVAC system, basic environmental monitoring is carried out to maintain suitable manufacturing conditions and product quality. Let's see the importance of sterile and non-sterile products in pharma. Sterile products are essential to prevent infections and ensure patient safety, especially because they are used in sensitive applications. They are particularly critical for injectable products where even a small contamination can pose serious health risks. Non-sterile products help maintain product quality and ensure microbial safety within acceptable limits. Their manufacturing process is generally more cost-effective, making them suitable for a wide range of pharmaceutical products. Let's understand the challenges in sterile and non-sterile manufacturing. Sterile manufacturing involves high operational cost due to specialized facilities and equipment requirements. It requires complex validation processes and strict contamination control to ensure the product remains safe and sterile for patient use. Non-sterile manufacturing focuses on preventing cross-contamination between products and maintaining microbial limits within acceptable levels. It also requires effective cleaning verification to ensure the equipments and production areas are properly cleaned before use. Regulatory guidelines. Pharmaceutical industries follow WHO GMP, US FDA CGMP, EU GMP, and Schedule M guidelines. Conclusion. Sterile products require the complete absence of microorganisms to ensure patient safety, while non-sterile products allow controlled microbial limits within acceptable standards. Both manufacturing systems plays an essential role in the pharmaceutical industry by supporting the production of different types of medicines. GMP compliance is crucial in both cases to ensure medicines are safe, effective, and of consistent quality. Thank you all for your valuable time and attention. I hope this presentation has helped you gain a better understanding of the topic. If you like this presentation, then please like, share and subscribe my channel Pharma Dive.